In this video, I'm going to show you how I have made $3,497.50 with Wealthy Affiliate so far. What's up guys, my name is Kononenko. You might also know me as the Caffeinated Blogger. On this YouTube channel, my goal is to help you make a full-time income online so that you can have a better future for yourself and your family. Hit the subscribe button just below this video, tick the bell notification icon to get notified as soon as I upload my next video. Let's get into it. First of all, I want to show you my personal results from using Wealthy Affiliate. I'm here inside my Wealthy Affiliate dashboard. And as you can see, I've earned $31.50 today so far, $141 in the last 7 days. And here are all the different stats. I'll talk to you a lot more about all of these throughout the video, but just at a high level, you can see that so far in 2019, I've sent 8,652 clicks to Wealthy Affiliate, so that's under the raw clicks column. And then if I scroll over to the right, then you will see here, that's the revenue column. And as I scroll down, so my total revenue from it so far is $3,497.50. And you can see here are all the individual sales that I have made. So you can see they're coming in very regularly. Now, the cool thing, of course, is that Wealthy Affiliate offers recurring affiliate program. So you can see that a lot of these sales are actually recurring. So once you refer somebody to Wealthy Affiliate, you will get paid forever and ever for as long as they keep their membership. So my income is kind of growing all the time. You can see here on the payout history, my first ever check was 198, then 615, 700, 500, 557. And then last month for the month of August, so I just got paid a few days ago, I made my biggest commissions ever from Wealthy Affiliate. $835.50 was the payout, which is pretty awesome. This is one of many different things that I promote online. So it's just a nice little ever-growing passive income stream that I've got on the side, which is really, really cool. But it is in addition to other things that I'm doing, so it hasn't even taken me that much time to actually promote Wealthy Affiliate. So that's just a little sort of overview of some of my results. I'll talk to you a little bit more about those later on in the video. But first, let's talk about what is actually Wealthy Affiliate. I'm going to take you inside Wealthy Affiliate and actually show you in more detail, step by step, all of these things. But sort of as a summary, at a high level, it's an all-in-one affiliate platform. It's free to join. So there are 2 membership tiers. I'll talk about those a bit later on as well. But it is free to join. And even as a free member, you can actually get really good amount of training, and you can make money with the Wealthy Affiliate referral program, as well as make money using the stuff that they teach inside. Okay, so it includes really good affiliate training. I'm going to show you in just a second. It does include hosting. So as a premium member, you get hosting for 50 sites. As a free member, you get hosting for 2 hosted sites. And there is also coaching and community and thousands of training videos. So Wealthy Affiliate basically is kind of like a place where, to make money as an affiliate, what do you need? You need to have a website, okay? And you need to have training, and you generally need to have some kind of a community, because everybody gets stuck. And if you know nobody online who is also doing affiliate marketing, then you'll often feel lost. And Wealthy Affiliate actually provides that community and that support. So anytime you're stuck, you can ask a question. So let me show you in detail what is actually inside. I'm here on the home page. I'm logged into my Wealthy Affiliate account. And as you can see on the left-hand side, there are different things that I can do. I've got the dashboard, training. You can manage your website. You can attend live events. You can research your keywords. And you can also use the help center, or you can use the live chat. Now, the cool thing about this is that anytime you are stuck or like you need help, there is many ways to do it. There are thousands and thousands and thousands, probably tens of thousands of active Wealthy Affiliate members that log on every day. And a lot of them are very, very experienced. So let's say if you go into the training tab, okay, and you can see that under training, there are lots of different training items. So for example, if I go into online entrepreneur certification, you can see there are 5 levels, and it takes you through basically step by step what to do to build a website and to start making affiliate commissions online. Okay, so you just need to kind of like log in, and then as you go level by level, you can view the courses and you can complete them as you go along. So there are dozens of videos just right there. Okay, it's a 5-phase, well, actually 50 lessons series of courses walking you through the process of creating and growing a business with absolutely any niche that you want. So you can use this training to build an affiliate website and to start making money using affiliate marketing. There's also an affiliate bootcamp. There are 70 lessons there. Again, everything step by step. And there is Training HQ where you can access all of the training, because there's a lot of training that actually gets uploaded by other members who are also very experienced, and there's tons of additional training. But let's just say, you are going through this training and all of a sudden you are unsure what you should be doing with a particular thing. So they've got that covered as well, which is really cool. Okay, so let's say you're doing this phase 2, lesson 1, creating readable content that converts, and you are doing all of this training, and then all of a sudden you feel stuck, okay? You're not sure what to do. You can see that a lot of people are in a similar sort of situation and they get stuck, okay? And this member here said, okay, so she needed help and she said, I've created my blog post, how to build a website, do I have to add a link? And then you can see that everyone jumps in, the whole community kind of jumps in and helps this particular person. So that's the great thing about it. That's one way to get help. You can just get help straight there kind of inside the training. All of the questions in general I find get answered in under 24 hours. Often you get an answer like that, like within an hour or two. You can always jump into live chat as well and ask for help, or you can start typing stuff into this search box at the top. So for example, if you are unsure, like let's say how to build an email list, all right, and then you will see that you get all of the matching searches within the Wealthy Affiliate platform. They will all come up, and there's tons of resources because there are so many members and it's been going for so long. Very often you will find that similar kind of questions have been asked before, or there is training somewhere about it. So that's what I really love about Wealthy Affiliate. You're never stuck, there's community and there's always help available as well. Plus, don't forget that hosting is included. Often, people who have affiliate marketing websites, everybody who has an affiliate marketing website actually needs to have hosting, and hosting can cost anywhere from kind of like $5 to $10 a month. And Wealthy Affiliate is just a little bit more expensive than that, and it includes hosting as well. So it's really good value in that regard too. Now, the question probably is that you think about, well, how do I actually make money with Wealthy Affiliate? So I showed you some of my earnings. Let's just talk about this, because there's two sides to Wealthy Affiliate and how to make money with Wealthy Affiliate. Option 1 is, of course, to just follow the training, and the training will take you step by step through how to find your niche, how to build your website, how to get traffic to that website, free traffic. So it's all about getting Google traffic, and then how to make affiliate commissions from that traffic. So Wealthy Affiliate platform covers all of it in a lot of detail. Plus there's community, there are successful members. I'm going to show you a little bit later on in the video, proof of other people who become successful through Wealthy Affiliate training. Okay, so that's option 1. You can basically just follow the training and make affiliate commissions that way. That's what I think a high percentage of people there on Wealthy Affiliate actually do. They just follow the training and they get great results. Option 2 for how to make money with Wealthy Affiliate is to become an affiliate for Wealthy Affiliate. So the earnings that I showed you before, they were my affiliate commissions for referring others to Wealthy Affiliate. And you can make recurring commissions that way as well. Here you can see I've logged into my affiliate area within Wealthy Affiliate, and it says earn revenue by referring people to Wealthy Affiliate. So you earn $23.50 monthly recurring for everybody who you refer to Wealthy Affiliate. Conversion rate is quite good. Around 12% of free members end up upgrading because people just love the training that they provide, in the community here. And on average, you earn over $100 for every person who ends up upgrading to a premium status. So these are the two different ways here to make money with Wealthy Affiliate. Just to recap, one is you can follow the training and don't worry about kind of referring anybody else to Wealthy Affiliate. You just follow the training, focus on the training, build your website, learn how to drive traffic and start making the money, start getting that help from the community. And option 2 is to become a Wealthy affiliate and refer others. So you can either do kind of like 1 or 2 or both of them. It's completely up to you. So what do you actually get in detail inside Wealthy Affiliate? So this is the best summary table that I've been able to find to show you guys clearly what you get. So starter membership is 100% free. It's free forever until you are actually ready to upgrade. And what you get is live help for the first 7 days. So first 7 days of you joining, you can always interact with people in chat, and ask questions and so forth. You can't send private messages. You are allowed to build 2 websites, but those websites will actually be hosted on a Wealthy Affiliate server. So it'll be Greg's website.siterubics.com. So it's a hosted website. You can later move it to its own domain if you choose to do so. There are website backups. There is also beginner training course. You also get your personal affiliate blog. You get video walkthroughs of various training. You also get access to the keyword research tool. You get training into 2 of the training classrooms. You can promote Wealthy Affiliate as an affiliate, so you can join an affiliate program, but you just get paid 25% commission instead of 50% commission. And you can sort of earn while you learn, and you get one-on-one coaching. So, you can always reach out for help and get help within the first 7 days. So, but training and websites and everything, there's no limitations there in terms of the time. You can access the training and implement it and learn it, etc. for a lifetime as a free member. So just as a recap there, basically as a free member, your website, if your website is Best Blinds, your website domain will be bestblinds.siterubics.com. That's that hosting that you get for the 2 sites. They'll be sort of hosted within the siterubics.com domain. But you can rank them, you can make money with them. It's a fully functional website. You get the training and you get 25% commissions on referring others to Wealthy Affiliate. As a paid member, you get all of this stuff that we kind of already talked about. You get unlimited live help. You get hosting for 50 websites, 20, and that's, these are your actual websites. If you want to buy your own domain, so like bestblinds.com, you can host that on Wealthy Affiliate. If you've got hosting already elsewhere and you might be paying $10 or $20 a month for hosting somewhere else, you can just move over that hosting into Wealthy Affiliate to kind of save on the hosting costs and get access to everything else that Wealthy Affiliate offers. There's all of these things that I ticked here. I won't kind of go through them in too much detail, but it's everything that I showed you guys. It's instant help. It's hundreds, probably even thousands of training videos that you get in there as well. Now, the big question, of course, is does it actually work? So let me show you a few things here. Because Wealthy Affiliate is built a little bit like a social media network, you will get this thing here, which is newsfeed. So the different things that are happening around the network. And for example, this person here says Google index that was quick. So, this person actually had success getting indexed on Google. Now, you can see there is another person saying, I have good news and bad news. So if we open that up, you will see that the good news she's sharing is that I made my first commission outside WA, $200. Okay, so there's people, and you see that all the time, people are finding success with Wealthy Affiliate just by following Wealthy Affiliate training. Now, if we kind of scroll through here, you will see there are all of these things, new blogs, motivating posts. So here under these successes happening right now, it says my second goal reached 2,000 for the month. So you can open up all of these and actually see what the people are talking about. Woohoo, first sell on ClickBank. Now, of course, all of these is by people just following the training that's inside Wealthy Affiliate. This person is sharing that I made 2,000 for the month. For March, okay, total 2,143. This person, he says he's 65 years old. So definitely is possible pretty much for anyone, to just do it. So the training there is really, really good. And that's, of course, that side of Wealthy Affiliate, kind of just following the training. It absolutely works. And I've already showed you my stats. I'm just going to jump there again. If you do decide to also look at the second way of making money with Wealthy Affiliate to actually promote the Wealthy Affiliate program, that is, it works really well. You can see that I've sent 8,652 clicks and I've made so far $3,500 from them. This has been just quite passive. I basically put my links to Wealthy Affiliate in various places around the internet, on my content, on my website. Also in some of my videos, I link to Wealthy Affiliate. And people join as free members and then they like it and then they end up upgrading because it just makes sense. If you do want to check it out and give it a go, I've got a pretty good bonus for you guys to join via my link. So it is free to start. So just scroll through to the description just below this video. Look for the link to join Wealthy Affiliate. And if you do like everything and you at some point in the future decide to upgrade, I'm going to give you my high value course that's currently selling for $67. I'm going to give it to you as a bonus once you upgrade. That's all going to be delivered automatically within Wealthy Affiliate. So once you join via my link and then you upgrade, that's when the delivery of this bonus is going to happen. That bonus will also help you promote and learn how to promote Wealthy Affiliate as an affiliate, so to promote their affiliate program as well. Couple of things around how I actually personally promote Wealthy Affiliate. Like I told you guys, it's not actually my number one priority. I do a bunch of other stuff as well. I don't focus on Wealthy Affiliate. Inside your dashboard, if you go to links and tracking, you can then create a Wealthy Affiliate. And what I really love about it is you can actually what's called create a custom link. So you can create a custom homepage link and then you give it a name. So you can actually create kind of like a customized landing page. You give the campaign name, then you give a message title and then a little custom message. I've just typed in, "Hi, it's Greg Kononenko here," but obviously you can put in a lot more. You can put in your image. And then, so if we take this link, this demo Greg Yes campaign that I've just created, and we open it in a new window, you can see that this is actually your personalized landing page, right? It says platform designed for affiliate marketers of all levels. And then this is your custom message here, and you can write anything that you want. And you can share this link on, social media. You can share this link on, I don't know, wherever you want, YouTube and various other places. And whenever people get here and they end up signing up, this lead will get, or this free member will get allocated under you forever. And if they do end up upgrading, and many people do, about 1 in 10, so about like 10% of people end up upgrading long term, you will start getting paid residual commissions. So that's one of the ways that you can promote it. There are actually tons of other things that you can do, but once you're inside Wealthy Affiliate, you're going to learn all of that through the affiliate training. It's their affiliate system is really, really good, and of course their training, like I said, is pretty top notch as well. So then you can take that link and you can share it anywhere you want. For example, on some of my YouTube videos, you can see this YouTube video has had 5,800 views. And then I've got a little link here saying learn how to become a full-time blogger and affiliate marketer. And this link is my Wealthy affiliate link. So if anyone clicks that, it'll take them to this page. All right. And I've got my custom message here. So it works really, really well. And you can do the same thing. I've got this link on my blog as well in some places. So you can just share it anywhere, like social media, pretty much wherever you want. That's exactly what I have been doing. That's how I've made this, $3,500 roughly over the last few months from just sharing this link in various places. And I haven't even been focusing on it. I mean, if you really focus for it and go hard for it, I think it can work out pretty well. The important thing here is though, guys, is that you can do all of this as a free member. Okay, I want to remind you that you don't need to be a premium member to make money with Wealthy Affiliate. It gives you that flexibility. As a free member, you can follow the training and make the money using the affiliate marketing training, or you can refer others to Wealthy Affiliate and you're going to get that 25% commission for referring other people via your affiliate link as a free member even. You don't need to pay anything to access their affiliate program. All in all, I'm a big fan of Wealthy Affiliate. I think that the training is some of the best. It's kind of like they teach you how to build a real business, right? It's not about press a button and the money comes out. It is about putting in a little bit of work, but they're teaching the proper basics of affiliate marketing, plus you've got the community. So if you guys do want to start, just check that link in the description below. And subscribe to the YouTube channel as well. Hit the subscribe button just below if you want to get future videos from me where I show you how to make a full-time income online so that you can have a better future for yourself and your family. My name is Greg Kononenko. Thank you so much for watching this. I'm going to put a couple of videos here for you guys as well that you can watch next that are really going to help you, and I'll see you in the next video.